Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech. In this video, I am going to compare the display quality between the Redmi Note 8 Pro versus the Realme 6 device. As you can see friends, in this video I'll be using the different kind of wallpapers friends, as you can see, which will exactly simulate the notch in both the phones. So whereas in the Redmi Note 9 Pro it's exactly in the middle, and Realme 6 device you can see on the left side. So if you're looking for this kind of wallpapers, cool looking wallpapers, do check the links in description friends. So where there is a playlist dedicatedly for the wallpapers alone, so you can find this kind of cute looking wallpapers friends, which will simulate the notch and punch hole displays in any Redmi Note 9 Pro or other smartphone, even in the POCO X2 as well. So don't forget to check the links in description. And if you have any queries regarding the smartphones friends, message me in the Instagram by like following my Instagram page, and also click the subscribe button friends, and you can ask the queries in the Instagram. And there is some problem with the WhatsApp friends, so that's why I'm unable to use the WhatsApp at the moment, and sorry for the inconvenience. And you can ask me in the Instagram all your queries if you want. So there are plenty of users who are messaging me friends, and I'll be posting the plenty of camera sample as well in terms of Realme 6 or other smartphones. So stay tuned by following that page. And let's get started friends in terms of comparing the displays. So the reason why I'm doing this display comparison is that the Redmi Note 8 Pro comes with IPS LCD panel, and the Realme 6 phone also comes with the same kind of IPS LCD panel. So it makes sense friends, and if you are deciding to buy either of the one phone, and if you are confused which phone has a better display quality, then this is a correct video friends, because I will not edit any colors during the display comparison throughout my channel. So all the time the videos will be exactly as normal. I won't edit anything, so to make it look like real life colors. And let me try to open the MX player. As you can see friends, right now I'm playing the same video in both the phones, Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Realme 6 phone as well at same time. So one thing I noticed is that the brightness in the Redmi Note 8 Pro is a little bit more friends when you compare with the Realme 6 phone. And if you take a look at the sky as well, there's a little bit like higher saturated colors on the Realme 6 phone, so which is present. So let me bring the little bit close to the camera so you can observe clearly. So just take a look at these plants over here, so you can understand friends clearly how is the colors. Even take a look at the sky as well, so you can see some kind of dark areas. So let me play the video again. So just observe the sky and plants on the right side. And I feel the Redmi Note 8 Pro has a slightly higher brightness. So let me bring close to the camera once again friends, and just try to observe the plant which is present on the right side, even here. So you can see clearly there's a little bit higher saturated friends in the Realme 6, even the sky as well. So even though both the phones are having same kind of panel, the Realme 6 has slightly higher contrast levels and saturated levels, so which is completely different friends, because I did plenty of display comparison with the Redmi Note 9 Pro and other devices. So I found the Realme 6 display is very good, even though the both are using the same kind of IPS LCD panel, but still the Realme 6 looks more vibrant and more saturated friends. So if you ask me which display is better, then definitely the Realme 6 display is the best one out of this both. Let me try to decrease to the 5% the brightness. So you can see when I decrease brightness to 5, the Redmi Note 8 Pro has slightly higher brightness. And let me decrease to 0. And both are very good in doing the low light performance friends. Let me increase to 10. In 10 brightness levels, the Redmi Note 8 Pro has slightly higher brightness. So in overall friends, in terms of the brightness levels, I found the Redmi Note 8 Pro is better in having high brightness levels. So that is what I observed friends here. So that's it friends, this is the overall display comparison between both the phones. And for more videos, definitely friends subscribe to my channel, and I'll be posting plenty of same kind of display comparison test as well between the Redmi Note 9 Pro and other smartphones, as you can see friends, which I uploaded recently. and stay tuned by subscribing to my channel SciTech Guru. So that's it for this video, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.